I grew up on a farm, riding horses, milking cows, so places like Nibepo Aike hit different. This wasn't just a visit, it felt like a homecoming. We started the day milking a cow, then watched sheep being herd across the field, took a short hike to a lake tucked away in the hills, and even saw a gaucho shear a sheep, like old school skill, right in front of us. Lunch? Incredible. Local flavors cooked with love. Then came my favorite part, riding. We spent 3 hours on a horseback admiring the landscapes, and we even helped to herd some cattle. It brought back memories and reminded me why I love this way of life. Keep watching if you don't want to miss how it all unfolds.
Good morning. We
morning.
just have arrived at Nibepo Aike
Nibepo Aike.
in Estancia, located an hour and a half outside of Calafate. We drove here and we are spending a day on this estancia, which is a ranch located in South America.
The ranch was founded in 1910, so it's an oldie one. And now I think they're more dedicated to tourism, even though they still have the cattle activities. So we're gonna spend a whole day here. We're gonna check out the whole ranch, how they operate. We might even milk some cows. That's gonna be fun. We're also gonna spend some time in the restaurant, and we're gonna have a horse ride.
We'll get to see and experience the traditional way of life in these estancias. So it includes anything from herding cattle to horseback riding to shearing of the sheep, and we might even get to milk a cow today. After enjoying some coffee and
cakes.
some cakes and getting a rundown of what we're going to do today, we're going to watch some sheep being herded. We got some ponies near us too. Right now we are milking a cow. We're going to be taught how to milk a cow. It's a baby vaquita.
Slow down, huh? Squeeze with it. Yeah. Get it in the bucket.
Yeah, I gotta get it in the bucket. And now I know how to milk a cow. It's off my bucket list. When I was younger, I tried, and I remember I couldn't do it, but it's done.
Now what we're doing is we're gonna watch Argentinian Cowboy, which is a gaucho herd sheeps.
I see the dogs coming out.
We might
to
see
work.
some herd dogs. So let's watch that out.
I didn't know sheep could run that fast. Oh, the dog's done with his job. He's like, I'm done.
Now that we saw the sheep running, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on a small hike to the lake, and some people is gonna hop on a horse and do a small horse ride too. We're not gonna do this one. We're gonna do the long one, which is at 3 p.m. this afternoon.
After lunch. This lake is so like calm. It's like glass. We're gonna have Jose skip a stone.
I'm a professional stone skipper. First thing you gotta do is find a nice flat rock like this, and then into the water, go down. It's all about
We're searching for stones.
One more time, I got you.
Oh, nice. He's gonna try another one. Whoa.
See?
That went far.
That's pro level. So what we just did was 30 to 40 minute hike to a lake, and it was beautiful. So we're walking back to the restaurant. So right now we're just chilling, enjoying the sun, enjoying the weather.
Yes, it's
And the
nice
views.
outside. I'm thankful for the sun coming out. I think right now we're going to the shearing of the sheep. There we just watched the shearing of the sheep. Oh, it was just sitting there like a duck.
And we learn a lot. We learn a lot about the whole process and all the economy behind it. And it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. They do that 3 times a year, but they don't do the whole sheep. So right now they just did the collar and a little bit in the belly.
To keep it warm. Until it's
Until summer again. Then on summer they do the whole sheep, which is apparently the best product.
And now we are going to eat some lunch. And it's going to be lamb, which was kind of a weird thing to see the sheep get is shed or sheared, and then we're going to eat something similar to it.
Pretty sure it's gonna be delicious though.
Oh, it was so cute. That's the shear shed. Do you want to explain the difference between a lamb and a sheep?
So lamb and sheep is the same animal. They come from the ovine family. The difference is on age. So lamb is a small year and under sheep, and after that is after the year it's a sheep. Now don't get confused with a goat. That's a different animal. That comes from the caprines, I think it is called. I don't know. It's a different family of animal. They're cousins, but they're not the same.
Yeah, which makes me a little sad because now I realize that we are eating pretty much sheep. We're eating lamb right now.
Lamb of God.
Maybe we should have done that after the fact, after lunch.
We had a wonderful lunch. It was a lamb, roasted lamb, with some salad and bread and wine, which was good too. Now, after all that banquet, we are going to do a horse ride for 3 hours. I don't know if it was a good idea to eat that much and drink that much.
Yeah, we'll see how it does with our stomachs. Jose had 2 glasses of wine, but only one is included.
They didn't say that.
But we are excited for this horse ride, so let's get on a horse. Thank you. What's your horse's name?
Sarco. It's a brown eye and a blue eye.
Oh,
Agustin is
All
gonna
right.
explain now. Okay.
my horse's name is Ginger. He has reddish hair. We have a mission now. We're supposed to herd some cows. We see 5, 1 for each of us, near the lake. And then we herd them closer to the lake. So we'll see how this goes. We're gonna work as a group. Go, go, go. Go, Ginger. You got this. You got it. Behind the cows. Oh jeez.
Not you, not you. You lose the cattle.
Yep. It's the end of the herding. The horses were getting too excited. We started jogging and I couldn't keep up.
Yeah.
But now we're going to the lake.
Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah! You ready to conquer? All right. Well, wait. Oh yeah. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Go. I'm trying, boss. And after that Braveheart remake, we are gonna end our ride.
That was fun. That was a fun 3 hours. I galloped on a horse for the first time. So that was a little scary but fun. And my bladder is not liking me right now because I gotta go to the bathroom.